Well, everyone, iOS 27 has just came out in a developer beta. So you might be wondering if your iPhone XS Max ended up getting this update. The iPhone XS Max is an iPhone that came out back in 2018. Now, unfortunately, the answer is no. The iPhone XS Max did not end up getting iOS 27. In fact, this iPhone didn't even end up getting iOS 26. So this iPhone ended off at iOS 18. Currently, I think it's on iOS 18.7.19 or one of these types of updates, iOS 18.7.9. So the only iPhones that are supported on the iOS 27 update are the iPhone 11s and above, which is interesting because that's pretty much the direct cutoff point. So the iPhone XS Max did not end up getting this update at all because it didn't even end up getting the previous update. Now, that's not a crazy bad thing. I still think iOS 18 is pretty stable for the most part. You're still able to get a lot of security updates. Sometimes Apple still occasionally posts out a security update here and there on this iPhone. So this thing isn't terrible. I probably would recommend upgrading it at some point, but unfortunately, it did not end up getting iOS 27. So in terms of that, that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.